Hi, my name is Thomas. I'm the founder and CEO here at Digital Currency Professionals. We specialize in assisting businesses to integrate cryptocurrency or digital currency into their business operations and their business strategies. Last year, 2020, the investors were aware that cryptocurrency was experiencing a revolution, and a lot of people have made a lot of money. And even right now, it's February, end of February 2021. It's still being looked at as an extremely speculative investment vehicle. That's true, it is. But what is being overlooked at the moment is all of the advantages that cryptocurrency can offer businesses beyond investment speculation. So I'm going to give you 3 examples of how you can use cryptocurrency in your business to become more competitive. But there are many examples, and you can visit our website, digitalcurrencypros.com, link in the description. And there's a list going into more detail and showing more examples. So just very quickly, one example of how you can use digital currency or cryptocurrency, same thing, in your business is through loans. If you need a business loan, typically you would have to go to the bank. You'd have to schedule an appointment with a loan officer. You would have to go through this big process of explaining why you need the loan, showing all kinds of documentation, showing how your business is profitable, explaining how you're going to pay it back, having credit checks done. And this is all on the bank schedule. And as we know, they have limited hours. They are not available on weekends. They take copious holidays, etc. Sometimes you get passed around from person to person. It's just a huge pain. Well, if you have a cryptocurrency account and you own cryptocurrency, you can get instantaneous loans that are the same or better rates that the bank is going to offer you. There is no credit check. There is no person reviewing anything. It's just if you have cryptocurrency as collateral, you're approved for a loan, and the money, the funds, the cash arrives in your bank account within a matter of days, 3 days. So that's great. You can use cryptocurrency in that way to get loans to expand your business and grow your business very quickly. Another example too of a way that you can use cryptocurrency to grow your business is basically by understanding that customer transactions in cryptocurrency does not go through a third party. It's just from the customer to you. This is called peer-to-peer. Typically, when the customer buys your product, they're not actually buying it. They're not giving you the money, right? The customer is interacting with the bank, and the bank decides how it's going to deal with that to eventually get the money to you, right? And as we know, there can be problems with this, customer chargebacks and all kinds of things, and it's just slow, right? What if you could just avoid all that? The customer gives you the money, and there is no bank, even though the transaction is digital. So customers are using this more and more, and with people becoming more familiar with how digital currency works, more and more people having cryptocurrency accounts and holding their funds in these cryptocurrency accounts, owning Bitcoin, wanting to pay for things in Bitcoin or any of the other coins. Basically, they're going to want to see that you have a little hashtag on your counter, and they have the option to either pay with fiat currency, so cash, through their bank account, or through the funds in their crypto account. So if you can offer that, you're going to attract more customers, and you're going to actually avoid some of the pain that we have to deal with. For example, accusations of fraudulent transactions that are erroneous. It's just people trying to scam you, etc. And then that can cause problems with your payment gateway. You know what I mean if you're a business. So you can avoid all that through peer-to-peer transactions and basically using cryptocurrency. And again, it's instantaneous. So you don't have to wait for funds to settle and transfer and yada yada. Instantaneous. Also with something called smart contracts, which again, we explain this kind of stuff on our website, digitalcurrencypros.com. You can create kind of contracts with your customers to buy and sell things that are dependent on certain qualifications being met, and then the contract is executed. I won't go into that, but I guess go to the website and find out more details. So the third example I'm going to give you is basically how you can make your customers' money and the funds in your business work for you better than if you were holding them at the bank. And this is basically rewards and interest rates for funds held in a cryptocurrency account or a cryptocurrency exchange. So if you receive a customer's funds and those funds go directly from your customer to your business's cryptocurrency account. While the funds are there in the cryptocurrency account, they are earning interest that is far greater typically than what you would be earning at a bank. This is called staking, and again, more details on at the website. But beyond interest rates, you can get different kinds of rewards and benefits from just owning cryptocurrency. So basically, your customers are almost paying you twice. They're paying you once for the transaction and the product, and then while your money is there in your cryptocurrency account, it's earning more interest, or it's being used to give you different kinds of benefits. So those are just 3 examples. Now, I know that cryptocurrency can be a daunting subject for those who are new to it, and there is some risk if you don't know what you're doing. You can lose your assets, and you don't want to do that. So again, visit the website, digitalcurrencypros.com, and we kind of explain how to do it safely, all the benefits that you will reap if you integrate this into your business and into your growth strategies. And also, if you need help actually integrating cryptocurrency into your business, we can come out and help you, or we can do consultations and explain what you need to do. So thank you. There are a lot of videos on this channel that just give information about cryptocurrency, meant to educate. This is all free information, our gift to you. And we're also just very passionate about cryptocurrency, so we're involved in the community. If you want to reach us, again, visit the website, or you can email us at support@digitalcurrencypros.com. Thank you very much.